All right, so anyway, YouTube is slowly but surely shifting to the YouTube Studio from Creator Studio Classic. They're working it out. They still have to do the audio library and the playlist. But check this out. I'm going to go down to Creator Studio Classic, click on it. It's going to open up this little button. It's going to open up this window. I'm going to hit skip. And look at this. Heads up, the Legacy Classic Studio is going away very soon. Most creators are using the new studio exclusively. We've made over 50 improvements to YouTube Studio in the last 6 months, including improving navigation, better end screen support, faster page loading, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I don't really think they have. I think they need to do a little bit more thinking about the layout of the channel dashboard. But it's still letting us go to the Legacy Classic. So you can still get there by clicking on this. And bam. So they still have that. The thing I would like to see is a cleaner dashboard on the YouTube Studio. I think that this is a much cleaner look. It could be expanded if they could just make it bigger. And it would be much simpler and easier for people to look at. And it's basically the same stuff. Come on. All right, so anyway, that is the latest thing that's happening on YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on YouTube. And I will be adding more videos as they change it.